If you're experiencing frame stuttering in PUBG, optimizing your settings can significantly improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in PUBG. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and effects. Set the resolution to a level that balances performance and visual quality. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust Windows settings for better performance. Go to System Properties, select the Performance tab, and choose Adjust for best performance. This will disable unnecessary visual effects that can impact gaming. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help reduce stuttering during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor hardware performance. Use monitoring software to check your CPU and GPU usage while playing. If either is consistently maxed out, consider upgrading your hardware or adjusting your settings further to achieve smoother gameplay. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your PUBG performance. Enjoy your gaming.